Hi, I'm Cruz, and I'd like to review a few of the features of this awesome front door. You'll notice that its door up to about 8 feet, and then the second part of the door is 2 feet of glass. That's called a transom. This front door was made using 3 materials: glass, metal, and wood. The wood provides a rich organic feel. This is solid mahogany. The metal provides the structural integrity and a nice contrast with the wood. The glass provides light to enter into the home and show off a very nice chandelier inside of the home. I like that the door pull is welded in place. This adds to the structural integrity of the door, and it means that it'll never work loose because it's welded directly to the door frame above and below. Let's talk about the advantages of the transom. The transom will allow light into the home, whereas if it would have been all wood, it would have been less light. The transom also adds to the front door experience at night. So at night it's relatively dark. However, if you have a statement chandelier inside of the home, when you walk up to it, you're seeing the interior home and the chandelier. That creates a very impressive experience. So as you walk up to it, you have that beautiful interaction. If you'd like more information on getting one of these awesome doors for your home and creating an unforgettable front door experience, give us a call or fill out the contact form. Thank you.